Hi, my name is Officer Paul Malone and welcome to another edition of Haverhill Police Bulletin. Did you know that the leading cause of fatalities in house fires are because of non-working smoke detectors or non-existing smoke detectors? The Haverhill Police Emergency Management, the Haverhill Fire Department are teaming up with the American Red Cross to give away free smoke alarms. If you would like to have 3 smoke alarms installed in your home, please call me at 978-722-1565 or by email at pmalone@haverhillpolice.com. Installation is free. It takes about 15 minutes. That's not a lot to give up to have peace of mind and safety and security for your family. I'm Officer Paul Malone, and thank you for watching.